Now, I'm something of a comedy nerd, and what I would very much like to do over the next couple of weeks is research any seminal Welsh language comedy programs, because there must be some. It is ridiculous that there wouldn't be. So this is where you come in. What are the seminal, popular, they were popular, they are popular, what are the big Welsh language comedy programs that I should check out for a crash course in finding out about Welsh language comedy? My lord, I have the suggestions. The suggestions. The suggestions. They're on here, I swear. Good. Good. Ha 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 ha. Hello, croeso I
Welsh-language!
Or as we say in Wales, no, I have seen it myself. Thank you for your suggestions. They were many and varied. A lot of them are proving quite difficult to get a hold of. And so I prioritised, and I have been watching C'mon Midffield. Now, I couldn't find very much of it, and I had to make do with a countdown of the top 40 moments from the show. Now, I stopped watching after about 3 clips. I enjoyed it, but I figured that watching it in dismembered chunks wasn't going to give me any real idea of the show, because I was watching it completely out of context. I had no idea about any of the characters or the situation they were in, so it was difficult to get on board with. I did find it funny, and I was particularly impressed that it was filmed completely using film and without a laugh track. Which is something that still is rare nowadays. It's quite ahead of its time, I think, but I can't be completely sure because at the time I was about 1 year old. I was interested, so I looked for the DVD and I found them. From what I can understand of the badly laid out catalogue on the internet, there are 10 DVDs, each costing £15, and they all have 4 episodes on them. Now, I'm not going to buy them because that is unreasonably expensive for what you're actually getting. Might seem like a cheapskate, but I recently bought all 4 series of Monty Python's Flying Circus for less than what it would cost for 4 episodes of this. So stick that up, you jumper! Quite odd that in order to find a Welsh language comedy programme that's so well regarded, we have to go back to 1988-94, which is when its original run was. Some of the suggestions were more contemporary than that, but C'mon Midffield was the only one that I felt was energetically and widely suggested. But it was very interesting that the reputable source Wikipedia describes C'mon Midffield as one of the most successful comedy series ever broadcast on Welsh channel S4C. And in 1992 it won a BAFTA Cymru. And I thought it was very interesting that the BAFTA it won was for Best Drama Series. And I'm thinking this is probably because, according to its website and all the research I did, there is no BAFTA Cymru for award for comedy, which at best is an oversight, but I think even if it is an oversight, it is indicative of a general pervading attitude of dismissiveness to Welsh language comedy, which is interesting, not funny, but interesting. I'm really glad the shows like C'mon Midffield are well remembered, well regarded and treasured, but I still think that there should be a lot more stuff coming through. I'm surprised that there's not. Fine, I'll do it myself. Helo a croeso nôl I Pa Ham, y raglen blwyddyn ni'n gofyn Pa Ham. Islwyn Gwyn Hughes dwi a heddiw dwi yn y cyntedd. Cynt. Nawr, cystadleuwr rhif 1. Helo. Helo. Helo, Islwyn, fy enw I yw Richard Betws. Helo, Richard. Nawr, am y cwestiwn fawr. Pa Ham. Helo, dwi am ddweud Parma Ham. Mae'n dweud Parma Ham? Parma Ham? Cywir, da iawn chi, Richard Betws, a nawr am cystadleuwr rhif 2. Pa Ham. Colin Bendigeidfran, sit. Sit. Oh, there's a good boy. Paw. And the other paw. There's a good boy. Down. Lie down. There's a good boy. Is that the type of ham you want? Lovely. O, da iawn chi, a nawr am cystadleuwr rhif 3. Pa Ham. Alright. No. Oh. With ham, I know this one. I fucking know this one, man. I know this one. What's it? Is it this ham, but? Is it this ham? It is, it's this ham, innit? O na'n anffodus nid ham yw'r cig yna, ond cywiar. Fuck, you shit, but! You shit! O, dyna ni am heno. Welwch chi eto ar PAHAM! You fucking shit, this line, but! You fucking shit! Holy fucking shit! You fucking shit! Okay, point proven, it's not easy to make a show. I did hear, however, that there is a live show touring called C'mon Midffild next year, and I'm going to go and watch that. And I'll talk about it in a video, giving it the oracle. I'll talk about it in a video then, and that means that this video will get its natural conclusion in about 7 months' time. It's good, innit? I'm not particularly sorry this week, but I will still stop. Wait, I can pull a better face than that. I can't. Subscribe, comment, thank you. Don't subscribe, don't comment, no thank you.